Good morning, students. So, today we will learn how we can subtract any three-digit number with 0. Okay, so to understand this one, let me tell you a story. Okay, once upon a time, Rishi Kashyapa visited Mathura along with his 2 disciples. After walking a long distance, Rishi Kashyapa and his 2 disciples feel hungry. So they went and asked for food from those who were nearer to them. So in the first house, Rishi Kashyapa asked for an apple. But in that house, the people are very poor. So they hesitate to say no to Rishi Kashyapa. So they somehow convince Rishi Kashyapa to wait for a minute. They will bring an apple. So now Ramesh, which is the man of the house, goes to his neighbor's house, and he said to his neighbor Yama that Rishi Kashyapa is asking an apple. And I don't have any apple. So can you give me an apple? That neighbor also doesn't have any apple. But Yama wanted to help Ramesh. So he starts thinking where he saw the apple tree. Yama recalled that he has seen an apple tree to his neighbor's house. After reaching to his neighbor's house, Yama had seen that tree having 4 apples. So he quickly plucked 1 apple from the tree. Now that apple is very special because once it reached to anyone's house, it will multiply into 10 apples. So when Yama bring that apple in his house, it multiply and convert into 10 delicious apples. Now Ramesh take only 1 apple because he need it for Rishi Kashyapa. Now when he reached his home, he had seen that the apple is again multiplied into 10 delicious apples. After that, he gave all his apples to Rishi Kashyapa. Now Rishi Kashyapa took only 1 apple with a smile, and he starts walking with his disciple. So my dear students, with the help of that story, now we will subtract any 3-digit number with 0. Okay, so if 0 is there, then how we can do subtraction? So as we have seen in the story that in the first house it's having 0 apples, right? In the second house also it's having 0 apples, but in the third house it's having 4 apples, right? Now Rishi Kashyapa need only 1 apple. So this one I can show it like this, right? So Rishi Kashyapa, suppose this one is Rishi Kashyapa, this one is the first house, this one is the second house, and this one is the third house. So first of all, Rishi Kashyapa will ask 1 apple from the first house, right? Now in the first house, as it's having no apple, so it will ask an apple to its neighbor. Now the neighbor also doesn't have any apple. So the neighbor will ask 1 apple to his neighbor. Now this neighbor having 4 apples. So if the neighbor give 1 apple, then how many apples will left behind? After giving 1, it will become 3, right? Reach anyone's house, it will convert into 10 delicious apples, right? So that one apple, when it reached to that house, it will become 10 apples, right? Now this 10 apple, if it give 1 apple, it will reduce by 1 and it will become 9. So now this 10, it will become 9, right? And this house, it's now having 10 apples. Now when it will give 1 apple, then how many apples will be left behind? At last, how many apples is with Ramesh? After giving Rishi Kashyapa, 9 apples, right? In the second house, 9 apples will be there, and in the third house 3 apples will be there, that is on the tree. Okay, so like this only we will do subtraction. So always remember that whenever 1 is borrowed from the 100 place, it will convert into 10 tens. When 1 10 borrow by the ones place, it will become 10 ones. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the subtraction. So now we will do some questions that are given in your book. So now my dear students, open page number 208. See the first question. So we need to subtract these two numbers. So see, in ones place 0 and 3 is there. So this number will borrow 1 from the tens place. Now tens place also having 0. So now this tens place will borrow 1 from the 100 place value, right? So now this 100 place value will reduce by 1 and it will become 4. And now the tens place value, it will become 10, right? But as ones place value also need one number, so again it will reduce by 1 and now it will become 9. So now this 10, it will become 9, right? Now this ones place value, it will become 10. Now 10 minus 3, it will be how much? 7. Now 9 minus 7, it will be how much? 2. Now 4 minus 2, it will be how much? 2. So your answer will be what? 227, right? Okay. Now see B part. In ones place 0 is there. So it will borrow one number from the tens place. Now tens place also having 0. So now this tens place value will borrow 1 from the 100 place. Now this 100 place, it will reduce by 1 and it will become 3. Now that one number, when it reaches to tens place, it will convert into 10, right? 10 tens. So now this 0, it will become 10. As ones place also need one number, so this tens place will reduce by 1 and it will become 9, and that 1, when it reaches to ones place, it will become 10. Now 10 minus 8, it will be how much? 2. 9 minus 2, see the tens place value. 9 minus 2, it will be how much? 7. Now see the 100 place only 3 is there, so we can write this 3 directly. So our answer will be what? 372. So just like this, you have to do the rest of it in your classwork copy. I know this one you can do it very easily. Okay. So now see I part. Kavya's father had 500. He spent 255 in buying a school bag for Kavya. How many money is left with him? So 500 rupees is with Kavya's father. So he buy this much of the cost of the bag is 255. So we have to find the money that is left with him. Okay. Okay, so now we'll subtract 255 from 500. So now see in ones place 0 is there, so it will borrow 1 from the tens place. Now tens place also having 0, so now that tens place will borrow 1 from the 100 place. Now this 100 place it will reduce by 1 and it will become 4. Now this 1 is just like the special apples. So once it reaches to others' home, it will multiply and it will become 10 apples, right? So now this 0 it will become 10. Now as ones place value also need 1 number, right? So it will reduce by 1 and it will become now 9. Now this ones place value it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 it will be how much? 5. 9 minus 5 it will be how much? 4. 4 minus 2 it will be how much? 2. So how much money is left with him? 245 rupees. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how we can subtract any 3-digit number with zeros. Okay, now see J part. A flower seller has 600 roses and 356 lilies in his shop. How many more roses than lilies does he have? So a flower seller having 600 roses and 356 lilies. We have to find how many more roses are there than lilies. So we'll subtract, right? So again see the ones place 0 is there, so it will borrow 1 from the tens place. Now this tens place also having 0, so it will borrow 1 from the 100 place. Now this 100 place will become 1 less, that is 5. Now that 1 when it reach to tens place it will become 10. Now this tens place also have to give 1 to the ones place, so it will reduce and it will become now 9. Now this ones place when it get the 1 it will become 10 now. So now see in ones place 10 minus 6 it will be how much? 4. 9 minus 5 it will be how much? 4. 5 minus 3 it will be how much? 2. So total how many more roses are there? 244 more roses are there than lilies, right? So this I and J part also you have to write these two in your classwork copy. Okay.